Sashimi is delicious simply with soy and wasabi, but I want to show you another way of doing it using creme fraiche. Creme fraiche has a real mild and tangy flavour and is a fantastic carrier of other flavours such as wasabi. So in a bowl, I like to combine 1 small spoonful of the creme fraiche along with a teaspoon of wasabi and just mix that together. And now we can add some more of the creme fraiche. I just like to add a little at the beginning, just so we're now folding it in and keeping the structure of the cream so it stays lush and thick, just like this. Great, now we can just spread this onto a plate. Now for the sashimi. I'm using Kingfish Sashimi, but it also works really nicely with salmon sashimi. And I'm just going to place it into the creme fraiche. Fantastic. For the garnish, some white onion. I like to use white onion because it has a milder flavour, but I do want the subtle warmth of it, so that's why I'm finely slicing it. And we'll add a few slivers of this over the top. And for the herbs, this is really great with some chives and some chervil. I'll finely chop the chives. And the chervil, I'll just pick some of the gorgeous little leaves off. And to dress this, we'll just sprinkle it in the centre and lay the chervil leaves on top. To bring this together, a small drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. A pinch of salt, just to season the fish. And the last thing, freshly cracked pepper. Kingfish in a small bath of wasabi creme fraiche. And this just works so nicely together. A fantastic entree or a really light meal if you love sashimi just as much as I do.